All right, so we are coming here with our next lab, the Ionic Compounds lab. This is the lab right up for Goal 4. We're going to go straight to the point and get to your data page, your first data table, where you're going to be writing your observations of what you see. So it's in grid form. Unfortunately, the equipment that we used in class, which was a reaction well, is too small to get a really good view of the reactions. So we went ahead and did our reactions in reaction or watch glasses. Okay. Our first ion we're going to test, first positive one, because we're testing 4 positive and 6 negative for a total of 24 reactions. Our first positive one is Ba, barium, and we're going to test it with 6 different anions, which are listed here: the carbonate anion, hydroxide, the iodide, the phosphate, sulfate, and the nitrate. Okay? And, oh, right, I'm Mrs. Ocher. I forgot that part. And that's Nick. Say hi, Nick.
Hi. Your voice.
It never gets old. It really doesn't. All right, so let's go ahead and start that then. We're going to look at the first one with barium and the CO3 minus 2 ion. Ooh, ah. Okay, so we have a milky substance. Looks like it's getting little grains, so we formed a solid, a precipitate in that one. This is the barium and the OH ion together. Right, definitely. It does cloud up, not as dark or not as intense. That's a good word, intense. See, thank you. And then the barium and the I ion, the iodide. Yep. Nada. All right, Nick, your turn. It's going to mix barium and phosphate, the PO4. Ooh, I like how when you squirt it, the color kind of comes out like that. Yeah, it's over now. It's got to be fresh. Yeah, so that's nice.
Okay.
All right, to the next one. This is going to be the barium and the sulfates. Ooh, see how it kind of, see what I'm talking about? Yeah, it's cool.
Yep.
Nice and milky white, And this is going to be the barium and the NO3 minus 1 ion.
And nothing.
And nothing. Yep, so we had 2 duds this round. We had the barium and the I minus 1 ion not doing much of anything, and also the Ba and the NO3 minus 1 ion not doing much of anything. But the other ones definitely had positive reactions that you can make observations on. All right, row 2. We're going to be working on the PB plus 2 row now, so we have it all set up. So this is the row we're going to be doing now. So the lead is actually already on there, and we're going to add the ions, the negative ions, into the wells or onto the watch glasses to see the reaction. Okay? Okay. Here you go. I'm going to do the first 3, you get the second 3.
All right, sounds good.
Second 3 sounds wrong. It's like bad English or something, isn't it?
Second 3.
Yeah. How can you have a second 3?
Ask me.
All right, here's the carbonate with the lead. Ooh, good. Yeah, you need to make those sound effects. Ooh, ah. See, cheap help nowadays gives you cheap sound effects. All right, next one is the lead and the OH minus. Ooh, yep, making more milk here. And the next one is the lead and the iodide, the I minus. Ooh, paint.
Don't drink this.
All right, your turn. Yeah, don't drink that.
Yes, it is my turn.
It's a little too yellow for mustard, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. Not quite as white, but nice. Very good. That was the lead and the phosphate ion, PO4. Okay.
This is the sulfur.
Sulfate, that's right, SO4. Ooh. And the last one there, it's going to be lead and nitrate. It's a letdown. That's right. No reaction.
Of course, I would get the one with no reaction.
Of course you would. I planned it. So the other ones, though, had some really nice reactions. She likes that one in the yellow, I think. Okay, and we're ready for you with the row 3.
Oops.
All right, back for the next row. All right, so we have the silver Ag+1 row now. So this is the row we are working on. We're using the silver cation, and we're going to use the same anions we're using before and see what happens. All right, I'm doing the first 3.
And
Nick,
I'm doing the second 3.
second 3, which sounds better this time for some reason. I don't know why. All right, so I'm mixing silver with carbonate. Okay, you're not so white, kind of an off-white. Like that really is a spoiled milk looking thing, isn't it? All right, so this is going to be the silver with the OH minus. Oh, yuck. Icky, icky. Yeah, we're not going to comment on what that one looks like. But it's definitely of the brownish, greenish nature.
Pretty gross.
Yes, and here is the silver with iodide. Ooh, ew, though, at the same time.
That's pretty gross looking as well.
Yeah, it's like curdled.
Ew.
Yeah,
curdled
right,
milk.
right.
Forgot about that.
Phosphate PO4 3. Oh, that one's a little bit better looking. It's not as curdled looking.
It's pasty though.
Yeah, like a lemon paste. You're never gonna be able to eat lemon treats ever again.
Oh, don't eat this.
That's
And
right.
this one is
Sulfate, SO4. So we have silver and sulfate.
of course.
That's right. I told you I planned it a certain way.
Oh yeah.
Well, no, it's kind of clouding. You see that? I think it's kind of cloudy. Cameraman?
If you say
or
so,
woman?
Miss Otry.
All right. Okay, Nick.
You're the chemist.
Yes, I am.
So they say.
So this is silver in the nitrate, and it's a great big. What do you mean? So they say. What? I just catch that now? So they say.
Okay.
I got a degree that says it. All right, back to the silver in the nitrate.
I agree. That is cloudy.
See, that's the silver and the sulfate, and that became cloudy on you, Nick. All right, now the silver and the nitrate, though, no reaction.
Not at all.
Nothing happening there.
Of course.
Okay, so recap there, looking at all the good stuff. Yep, I've got lots of great adjectives to describe that one, but nothing really school appropriate. So,
You know, it looks like a bunch of dishes for like.
all right, so we're on our last column, the SR +2 row. Excuse me, I said a column before. We're on that one right now, so we're doing our last cation and adding the 6 anions to it. All right, so let's go ahead without further ado. Strontium and the CO3 ion. Okay, nice little milky effect. See something grainy as well. This is strontium and the OH ion. Ta-da! That's right. Oh, you little faith. It'll happen. All right, so it's not as exciting, but it is cloudy. This is the strontium and the iodide, I minus.
Ha.
Okay, all right, Nick, do yours now. Strontium and phosphate, PO4 minus 3 ion. Right, very nice, cloudy, milky, white, nice. Strontium and sulfate, SO4 minus 2.
Cloudy.
Yep, cloudy, definitely. A little grainy looking too, so we're definitely getting a precipitate made. And this is the strontium and the NO3. Big fat nothing.
Right.
All right, so it looks like in this one too we have 2 non-reactions. but the rest of them are positive reactions. A non-reaction between strontium and the I-1 ion, and then the other non-reaction between the strontium and the NO3-1 ion. The rest of them had reactions.
That's kind of boring.
I'm sorry, I couldn't entertain you more.